Oracle deck. My name is Monica Stodolsky, and I'm a freelance artist and teacher with a background in graphic design. My art has evolved in many ways over the last few years, and it often mirrors my own spiritual journey. I began using Oracle cards as a way to provide me with insight, advice, and the ability to stay grounded, which is why I've amassed so many decks in the last few years. They've become an invaluable tool for me. I've always loved the variety, the artwork, and especially the magical messages that have always been so synchronistic. If you're not into Oracle cards, please know that you can still use this class for creating any sort of deck, whether it's custom playing cards, a game that you've created, or maybe you want to create a wedding favor. The process will still be the same. In this class, I'll walk you through my process for self-publishing your very own deck that you can then offer for sale. We'll talk about scanning your artwork and how to build each of your cards in Photoshop. I'll show you an effective way to proof your cards prior to sending them out to be printed and walk you through the upload process. You'll need a basic knowledge of both Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator. We'll be using CC in this class, and you'll also need your own completed artwork prior to starting this class. It can be anything from practice sheets, painted swatches and doodles, or even splatters of paint. Once you finish this class, you'll be well on your way to offering your deck to the world. I look forward to seeing you in class.